Hi, I'm Andrew Jenkinson and welcome to the Caravan Industry channel. Hi, different side of video this time. Been covering a lot of stuff for Practical Caravan, so the videos are to come a bit on the side, if you like. So I'm looking at the new Basecamp 3, and this is how I'm going to do the video. So we're going to go straight into it. This is the Basecamp with the new bed that folds out, makes it into a double at the front, and a side single at the side, so you can have a third berth if you want, or leave the front bed made up and use the side single as a eating place, of course. Right, anyway, let's crack on. Right, I'm coming to this. I want to start at the front end because I've been a big fan of the Basecamp, and they've tweetled about with it this year. And the 6 berth has now sadly gone. Well, I say sadly, maybe as a 5 berth it may have worked better, I don't know. But anyway, there is a video that I've done. This is a bed that folds out. So basically what happens is, I think people are playing around with this. This comes out, that slides down, the backrest there obviously slides into place, and you've got a double bed. Obviously it can only be used as really a seat in a way, or you put a throw over there like they've done there. But I think if you were using this, you'd probably leave this made up as a double bed, especially if you're doing long days out and things. Now the Basecamp isn't a caravan as people like to think it's a caravan, but I still think it's a caravan. You've got these pouches still there, those are still there, good deep side windows, and also you've still got these up here. I think actually it might have been a better idea now to sort of replace those with something a bit more substantial as a proper locker. There's 2 main sockets here. There's a TV aerial socket there because of course in a 12 volt, and of course you've got the place there to put your telly. In the middle here you've got the domestic freezer, which I can't open. Yes I can, no I can't. I can't be bothered. You know what a freezer looks like. Over on this side we've got the cooker, the kitchen should I say, cooker, 2 burner hob of course, and you've got a combined grill stroke oven and storage under there, and some storage here, plus as well for your knives and forks. And also you've got this nice handy extra bit of worktop. No food or drink please. Alright, good sink. I quite like this bowl. I think you just lift it up like that. It's quite neat, quite good. That's the thing on a lot of Swiss this year. Got yourself a little side window and deep lockers for storage. There you go. But you don't have a microwave at all. Now I'm going to do this video and basically all in one go. I hope that's okay with everybody. I've been trying to get in this all afternoon, but it was always full. Right, I'm going to go onto this side dinette here because of course you can use this as a side dinette, and also you can make it as a bed. Now I think, and some people criticise that really these at the bottom bases should actually be boxed off for storage, and I probably quite agree, but then again you'd have to mess about because you've got your strappings there for your bikes here if you're taking your bikes. Deep side window here, and also you've got the control panel up here, and also that Basecamp sign above. Now when it comes to the washroom has actually quite practical, well designed. Got that marble effect, which I really like that actually. Storage up there, showering a decent sized roof vent. We'll let them off with no window in the sorry I keep going on about this, but a friend of mine was really annoyed that most expensive vans don't have windows in their washrooms. So you've got a big mirror there, plenty of place here to shower in, and then your loo. And now we're going to go to the wardrobe area. So I'm sorry, this is quite a big long video. And then you've got your freestanding table storage, of course, there, and your status TV aerial and your electrics, and all the gubbins for the blown air heating system. So there, in a nutshell, or should we say in a Basecamp, you've got it. So this is a Basecamp 3. What do I think? Well, I do like the idea of this folding bed at the front. I think it's good, and I think that could be I think that could seal the deal with some people. I don't know what sales have been like on this. I haven't found that out at all, and I'm not sure what the price will be. Probably about the 25 mark, I would think. But it feels quite spacious inside, and of course, you know, you're entering that Basecamp sort of owners club type thing, because Basecamps have got a very strong following, and so they should do. So, decent little kitchen, good storage. Quite like the trim little burner at the top here. 2-burner hob. No microwave. You can always go and get one from Asda or wherever other stores are available. But yeah, I like you've got a lot of floor area and it's pretty good.
Mind you, this Basecamp customers are a bit
So, somebody's wanted to come in here, so I'll have to get cracking. That's what I think of it. I think it's a great little van. I think they'll do well with the Basecamp 3. Now I'm not going to show you my mug again, not on this video anyway. So I'm going to round this video up, but please do like and subscribe and tell me what you think about the Basecamp 3. I think it's a pretty nifty van. See you in the next video. Please leave a comment. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you like them. Please don't forget to press the thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.